guys, welcome back to another week of Mortgage Matters in Minutes. Again, I'm your host, Brent Rasmussen, owner of Mortgage Specialists. Today, the topic that we're going to speak about is your mortgage lender working for you? And while that should be a very simple question, the answer should be 100% yes, I can suggest and give you some topics and answers here today that may suggest that your mortgage lender might be working for someone else, might be working for their own behalf and their own paycheck, and might not have the highest of integrity or ethics. But I'm not saying that bad in regards to our real estate industry. I'm just suggesting that in every industry profession, there are 80% or 90% professionals that are great and that 10 to 20% that aren't. The reason why I pose this question is because many days we get questions from clients that state, well, you want to give me a higher rate or whatever interest that you are providing me, you're getting that full 5, 6, 7% interest. And I will tell them, no, we're not getting that full 5, 7% interest over time. There's a small commission that's in that interest rate, but over time, there's investors that put up that money that obtain that. And it's not the mortgage lender, it's not the bank, it's not the credit union, it's other investors that put money into Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac for your conventional loans. So first, what does a mortgage lender do? We have to be licensed to obviously give an interest rate and closing cost quote, but also we have licensing to uphold, which is meeting rules, guidelines, federal laws, and regulations to assure that the system is working good. And we saw that back in the early 2000s, that when many people's integrity and ethics didn't come first, and their paychecks and their pocketbooks did come first, there could be a lot of bad loans that are given out that don't make the real estate and United States economy work well. So what I'll suggest to you today here is ask questions to your mortgage lender and find out a little bit about them. You can check them out anywhere online. If they're not a high presence online, I would suggest then meeting with them in person and getting your what I call gut check out the way. Are they able to answer your questions? Are they responsive to you? Are they willing to meet? Are they providing you information that is not just beneficial to them, but beneficial to you, the borrower, moving forward? I will always give the advice that I would give to myself, to my family, my brother, my parents, any family member, or any friends. I'm not going to risk my integrity or my ethical situation for a paycheck. And there's many mortgage lenders in this community that are the exact same way. Here in Omaha, I know most, if not nearly half of all the mortgage lenders. I would say I would know most of them. And many of them, they're very close friends of mine. And we get together and we conversate personally, but also chat about the business, sometimes telling horror stories, sometimes just talking about what's good and what's bad and what's going on. But I would suggest to you, if the mortgage lender is not working for you and you feel for some reason that the answers, decisions that they're making or responsiveness or unethicalness is causing you harm, to find a different mortgage professional. The reason why I bring that up is because there are lots of mortgage lenders that work with insurance agents, title companies, real estate agents, and they're paying those particular persons on the side to get business from them. And they might not be looking after your best interests. And I believe the good top mortgage lenders are caring truly about what's best for you, not just what's best for them. And we don't do this job just for a paycheck. We do this job to help people, to change people's lives, to get them into homes. And for some, that's the biggest investment that they may have moving forward in their lives. Building equity in a home and making sure that they have a place to raise their kids. We've seen lots of calls and had lots of questions from clients that my loan officer hasn't got back with me. They don't work on the weekends. And not saying that's always everything, but being non-responsive and not confident in the answers or giving you the correct answers might be a big red flag. Again, Omaha is a very small but large area. I would suggest to you, if you jump on any social page and you would search out the lender's name, there's going to be someone that you know that's already a connection with that person. And reach out and interview those people. Hey, do you know so-and-so? Are they good? Do you know so-and-so? Are they bad? What do you feel about so and so? And hopefully you'll get good responsiveness. If you don't know anybody that's connected with them, check them out online, figure out what their reviews look like. And I know reviews can be, daunting, and people can make them up or possibly make them up, but you can generally get a consensus of, are they looking good? Are they looking experienced? Because a mortgage transaction can be a very stressful process. If someone's not there representing you to get you from start to finish by giving you the correct answers and the correct process, it can be very stressful a week or two before closing when things aren't coming together and going your way. Trust your instincts, just like when you are working with anyone, with any profession, and you feel that you might not be getting treated the way that you should be treated. Get a second opinion. Contact us here at Mortgage Specialists. And we also have other lenders that we know and work with, and we get questions like this often. Hey, I'm calling around. I'm already working with so-and-so across town or so-and-so across town. And clients have testified to this. I will tell them, hey, if you're already working with so-and-so, I know them very well. Stay with so-and-so. They're a great loan officer. And I will attest to that on a regular basis, because the industry as a whole is much stronger than each individual person's. And that's the way it always will be. Please believe me that we're all here. I mean, all good lenders and all good real estate professionals are here to help you and give you the best advice we can. That's one great thing about living in the Midwest. And I'd love to work with you anytime and any place. So again, I'm owner Brent Rasmussen, mortgage specialist. You can call us anytime at 402-991-5153. Hit the subscribe button below, get weekly updated information, or check us out on our website at mtg-specialist.com. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next week. Mortgage Specialists. Driven, trusted, reliable.